Cheers everyone, welcome to the vlog. It is Friday morning and I'm getting ready right now. It's Friday and I'm so excited because I'm hanging out with someone that I've literally been wanting to meet for so long. My friend Emma is in New York. If you don't know Emma Lev, you need to go follow her on YouTube and Instagram, and she just does such good like vlogs, fitness stuff. We were gonna hang out at Coachella because, well, not at Coachella, but at the Revolve Festival because she was there, and then I was gonna go, but then, if you guys remember, the line was an absolute shit show, so I didn't go to the Revolve Festival. I was in LA and we were gonna hang out, and then she had to work. So she's visiting someone, I think a little bit outside of the city, but she's coming into the city for the day, so we're gonna go get brunch in Soho and walk around. I haven't decided what I wanna wear yet. I wanna get a cute picture. So if you follow me on Instagram, hopefully you saw something good from today. I'm trying a boxing class that looks really intense, and I'm kind of scared because I'm already pretty sore from the workouts I've been doing the last few days, but I'm doing that for another video that's coming up next week, so I'm not going to talk about it in this vlog, but I'm just nervous. And then I also have more stuff coming from my room today. It's like a daily thing, I love it. Kind of fun to like drag it out for me and not get everything at once, but just get new things here and there to keep piecing it together. And today I'm supposed to get my kitchen cart, which is going to make such a big difference in the kitchen, obviously. Make it look a little less cluttered and have things, you know, that I can store on there too. So I got one where it's a cart normally, but then it also has something that attaches to the top that goes up so you can hang hooks on it and like hang pans on it. But I don't think that I'm going to use that part. I think I might not build that part onto it just because I have like my map on the wall and I just feel like that would make it look much more cluttered. And I don't think I'll need that. So we'll see when it actually comes. I got that because it was still like a better deal for the cart that I wanted than ones without those things. So I was like, I might as well. Hopefully it'll make more sense when I actually have it to show you. But it's from Amazon. Actually, I think that's the only thing I'm getting today. I'm getting like smaller things, like silverware finally that isn't plastic. Yeah, that's what's on the books. It should be a fun weekend. I think I'm gonna finish getting ready and then show you what I end up wearing, and then we'll head to Soho. Doodle bomb. Here's my final outfit. You guys have probably seen this romper before. I'm definitely an outfit repeater, but it's from Shein. I threw over this denim jacket because it's actually not super hot today. It's like high 70s, low 80s. I thought it'd be a cute jacket draping moment. And then these chunky white sandals are from Nasty Gal. I got them on sale. And the jacket is Brandy Melville. I always get questions about my black denim jacket and I'm obsessed with it. My hair's kind of a mess, but what else is new? So amped for brunch. We're going to a place called Jack's Wife Frida, which is like Mediterranean brunch. I made it to Soho. Yay, here it is. We're going to Jack's Wife Frida. Look how I found. Oh, we're good, thank you.
Try your house hot sauce. Thank you.
They have a house hot sauce? How'd you even know that? Oh my god. We just got our lunch. I keep saying breakfast. I mean, we got breakfast food. We both got eggs. But it's Emma, you guys. She's in New York. I'm so excited. The fact that we tried to meet up like twice in California and it didn't work. And now we're in New York.
This is the house sandwich, if you will.
House sandwich with a house hot sauce. Excuse me. Is it on the house? I got the poached eggs with grilled tomato and halloumi. So, looks yummy. Can confirm it is not pesto. I was a little scared, but we're fine. Got my coffee. Gonna enjoy our little brunch and then go find cute spots to take pics. I'm so excited. You guys, I was just walking down the street with my freaking Nasty Gal shoes and they broke this part because I had to tie them like, or I had to buckle them extra tight because they're too big. And so I think it pulled on this thing and they came undone and it just broke when we were walking and I was like, oh, I have shoes in my bag. What size are you? They fit me perfectly.
They match your purse.
Yeah, I mean, it's a little interesting pattern thing we got, but it's gonna work.
Throw those out.
Yeah, should I just throw them away? Oh, I'm so sorry.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. They did me well. I only got like 3 uses out of them, so I guess they didn't do me well, but thank you, Emma, for saving my life. The dramatic goodbye to the shoes.
Should we write a eulogy?
In the arms of the wow. It's been a good run. Not that I could run in those, but you know. We're just leaving Soho. We jumped in Forever 21 and I got shoes to replace my broken shoes. Kind of suffocating my wide feet, but it's okay. They were $6, so it's fine. But she's leaving and we got to hang out for a bit, so it was fun. Well, she's on YouTube too, so just go watch her. This was so fun. Bye. Bye. Okay, I just got home from hanging out with Emma. It was so much fun. Again, I'll have her channel and stuff linked down below. You guys should definitely go watch her videos because she's the best. But I have about 45 5 minutes or so till I need to head out to a workout I'm going to tonight. I came back to a couple packages, so let's open them. This, I know, is my kitchen cart that I said I was getting today. I probably will not have time to build it, but we'll maybe start, I don't know. And then I got another Container Store package. If you saw my last vlog, I opened some stuff from them, and I knew that I had a couple other things coming. I'm not exactly sure what's in here, but we're gonna find out right now. Again, with the tons of unnecessary paper. Got a, whoopsie, I forgot about that one. A little over the door 5-hook rack, so I thought I could hang coats on this, especially in the winter when I need to access them more. I thought it'd be good to have it over the door so they're easy access. I was hoping to put it on my front door, but I don't know if it's gonna fit with the thing on top. So if it doesn't, then I'll put it just over my closet door. It's not like the cutest thing in the world, but it's functional. And then I also got a little single wire spice rack. I don't have like tons and tons of spices, so just a little guy that I might put above my stove or above my kitchen cart or something for easy access, so they look a little more organized. And then there was this one. I should probably set this down first. Hopefully it won't be too complicated. Maybe I will have time to put it together. If you're interested, I will try to remember to put it on my Amazon page, which is always linked below. But yeah, I got it on Amazon. Let's hope it's user friendly. I just unpacked all the pieces that go to the kitchen cart, and this is what's gonna be on top. So it's this nice little light wood piece that goes with the chrome. I think the light wood will look nice with the whole plant in the corner. I thought about getting just like a matte black kitchen cart because like the frame and the window's black, but I thought it would keep it light if I did this. So I think this will be a good color scheme. And I don't have time to put it together right now, but I got something else in the mail from Amazon. I finally got real silverware, so I thought I'd show you guys. I decided to get matte black just because I thought it was like classy and nice looking. It's 20 pieces, which is a lot because I'm one person. Again, we'll put on my Amazon page. Literally, this entire room is like sponsored by Amazon, but not. Let's see. Ooh, they're all individually wrapped. Oh my god, this is like a Bratz doll packaging. Not exactly the finish I had in mind because it's kind of shiny, but I still think they're really nice and they're not like too heavy or intense. So yay, got a set of 20, so I'll have real silverware to use. So I'm gonna have to wash these later before I put them away. I'm gonna put this guy together when I get back tonight. So I need to change out of my romper, put on some workout clothes because we're going boxing, which I missed so much. After reading your comments on my last vlog where I put this print up, I do think a nice like little black frame around definitely help and make it look a little bigger. I don't think I want to do a big thick frame necessarily. I kind of just pull it together with the outside. And to everyone who's saying my room's looking like a cluttered like college dorm room, I mean, like, yeah, it's 200 square feet. So I feel like no matter what, it's gonna look cluttered unless I had a twin bed and that's it, whatever. But again, I'm still gonna move the rug and I am still getting furniture here. So I'm sure I'm gonna get even more comments about, oh, it's so cluttered, but whatever. I'm back from my workout. I'm watching Tasha's apartment vlog, but I just put this on the door and it fits, so that's good. The door still closes. It's honestly like kind of funky looking, but now I can start hanging like little bags and coats when I'm wearing them more on there. The only thing is like looking in this mirror, it could look a little cluttery if there's a bunch of stuff on it, but we'll see. I could always move it if I want to be on that door. Now we're gonna go ahead and build my kitchen racks. Take these little clasp things and clip them around. We want the shelf to fall. So it seems like it'll be pretty easy, but you know, again, famous last words. This one's actually super easy and quick to put together. It's no IKEA thing, that's for sure. Snap these things around and you can adjust where you want the shelves to fall and then they sit there, so I'll show you. Make sure they're both facing up and then you just snap them here and slide them until they lock into place. As long as they're all level. Yeah. Replace this. It just sits right in there. That's so easy. These two on top here. So these ones have covers, but these two are open because you're meant to screw in the back part like I talked about that goes up the wall, but I don't think I'm gonna use that. I'm not really sure what all those black covers are. I guess I could read the rest of the manual. I'm gonna slide it on into the kitchen and hope it doesn't take up an absurd amount of space. And it fits perfect. Okay, yeah, I think that looks really cute. Oven is still fully open, so I measured, so that would be okay. Yep, I like it. I think it looks so cute with the plant. I'm glad I went with the light wood. in this corner, and I think it would look like super crowded if I had the thing on top of it. So I think this is more than enough, honestly. I didn't even need it to come out this way this far, but it'll be nice to have the extra storage. I can definitely store my printer on here on the bottom and my Wi-Fi thing and some of this stuff, so it's not so crazy. Then it'll be nice because I'll also have more storage for like dry foods and things, because I don't really have much cabinet space. I am very pleased with this. So again, it'll be linked on Amazon. See if I can move this around without disconnecting the whole thing. Oh, that was not solid. So this whole thing was gotta go this way. Just leave these things unplugged anyway. And then I can switch out this outlet when I use the NutriBullet or the Keurig. Like, they don't both have to be plugged in all the time. And then this thing can reach further. Okay, science rules. Okay, this is the best we could do, and I'm honestly not sure if it's gonna fly, because they're like stretched, and I can't get the cable to come back any further from behind the stove. It just looks really bad with those cords, and I feel like it's not safe. I don't know, it might have to just stay up there. And I'm thinking I'll attach the spice rack to the wall here above this, because the only other place I can attach it, since this is tile, is right there. And I feel like it's not really safe to be reaching over if I'm like cooking and there's hot stuff on the stove. I don't really want to be reaching over. Yeah, that just looks bad. Probably put it back to be sitting behind the stove. The next morning, and just look how nice this looks. I'm so happy with it. The cart in the kitchen, and I moved my mirror to right there, which I like there. I tried to get the rug underneath the bed last night and just really struggled. It almost threw my back. Look at that corner, so now it's like lopsided until further notice. I hung a couple things on the door, and I just love how the cart looks in the kitchen. I don't think it looks too cramped, and if you do, too bad. I'm the one living here. I just think it's a really nice kind of juxtaposition of the light wood with the Polaroids and the plant in the window, and then I moved my little K to this corner of the window, and I just think it looks so cute because it has green in it that ties in the green from the plant, and there's like pink too from the other pink in my room, even though the kitchen's a little separate. I took the cords out, I put my printer there, and my little other bin that kind of blocks the printer when you're looking from over here, which is good. And then when I have more stuff, I'll probably get more bins to put in here just so it looks like less messy. And then yeah, I think that's just gonna have to stay there, and it is what it is, but whatever, I don't really care. I'm thinking I might honestly leave the spices there. I think the rack helps a lot just to keep them looking more organized, and I can like reach from the side if it's on that side. This isn't like the cutest thing, but who cares? Again, not everything is. So yeah, still deciding how I want to organize this and like move some of this stuff out of there. I haven't made any progress. I haven't done any of this since I like filmed it for the first time, scratching off the countries, but we'll get there. I ordered a little black frame for this print that'll come tomorrow. So now that I was able to put everything and take the printer out, I have the seat here, which I think is nice, and put the cords behind the nightstand and all that, so it looks better. I have my table coming on Monday. I just put these two little gold command hooks on my fridge so I could put my week calendar. So I haven't used this thing in a long time. Oh wait, I didn't even think. It doesn't quite fit down in the hooks, but it'll sit awkwardly on top of them. It's fine. Everything is fine. At least it's not falling easily. Ah, it just makes me so happy. So that's all.